Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Aristotle concept of communication and Lasswell model of communication. Before going to the topic, I like to remind you about communication. According to Lyell Brown, communication is a transmission and interchange of facts, ideas, feelings, or course of action. Next, communication model. What is a model? A model is a miniature, a highly selective visual representation of any reality. So, communication model means as a graphic or visual representation of a communication process by using various elements involved. Now, we are going to our topic Aristotle concept of communication. The first non-scholar who wrote about communication, though not directly, was Aristotle. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher. While he exploring the human nature scientifically, he proposed a linear model of communication that later developed into a model and ultimately named Aristotle model of communication. Aristotle concept of communication or this model of communication is widely used in public speaking. In his famous book Rhetoric, Aristotle called the study of communication as rhetoric and elaborate three elements within the process. According to him, communication is composed of speaker, message and listener. From his observations, later scholar developed a model of communication by using the elements mentioned by him. So, that model consists of four visible elements, or we can say there are five aspects. The first one is speaker. Second one, speech. Third one, occasion. The fourth one, audience. The fifth one is effect. First one, speaker. Speaker is the person, one who expresses his or her opinions to others. The second one, speech. Speech is the information that is delivered by the speaker. And the third one is occasion. There can be any event, appearance, seminar, etc. in which the speaker is speaking. And the fourth one is audience. Audience is one who receives the message from the speaker or listening to the speaker. Last one, effect. Effect is the difference made by the speaker in audience activity. So I am again repeating these five aspects. First one, speaker. The second one, speech. Third one, occasion. The fourth one, audience. The fifth one, effect. So this occasion is the one of the element which cover all the four elements, or we can say it influences all the other elements. So this Aristotle model of communication that can be visually represented as like this. Speaker, one who expresses his or her opinions to others, and second one, speech or message, and the next one is the message is received by a receiver and it is termed as audience, and the result after the message is received by the receiver is effect, and occasion or context which cover all the other elements, or we can say it influences all other four elements. Okay, and this audio, already I say Aristotle concept of communication that is widely used in public speaking, and there are three criticisms to Aristotle concept of communication. The first one is, being a linear model of communication, there is no concept of feedback. The second one is, it can be only used in public speaking. And the third one is, it ignored the possibilities of barriers to communication process. So, next we are going to Lasswell model of communication. Lasswell model of communication developed by Harold D. Lasswell. This model is also called action model of communication. Harold describes the act of communication by defining who said it, what they said, how they said, to whom they said, and with what effect. So, that can be visually represented as this. Who, that refers to sender, one who expresses his or her opinions to others. And the second one is says what, that refers to the message, that is the information delivered by the sourcer. And the third one is how they said it, that is the channel or medium, the factor which is very necessary for the transmission of message from one person to another. And the fourth one is to whom, that refers to the receiver, one who receives messages from the sender. And the last one is with what effect, that refers to the feedback, that is the result of the message received by the receiver. Okay, the 5 elements of Lasswell model of communication are who refers to sender, the second one says what refers to message, the third one how they said it refers to channel, the fourth one to whom refers to receiver, and the last one with what effect received to feedback. And this Lasswell model of communication is widely, that is developed in order to analyze mass media. And according to Lasswell, there are 3 functions of communication. The first one is surveillance of environment. Second one, correlation of components of society. The third one is cultural transmission between generations. And there are 5 ways to analyze Lasswell model of communication. First one, control analysis. Second one, content analysis. Third one, media analysis. Fourth one, audience analysis. And the last one is effect analysis. So as similar to this Aristotle model of communication, the Lasswell model of communication also has some criticisms. There are 2 criticisms. First one, being a linear model of communication, there is no concept of feedback. And the second one, it ignores all the possibilities of barriers to the communication process. So, let me conclude by repeating these words once again. First one, Aristotle concept of communication, that was developed by Aristotle, and it is widely used in public speaking. And the 5 aspects of Aristotle model of communication. First one, speaker. The second one, speech. The third one, occasion. The fourth one, audience. And the last one is effect. And Lasswell model of communication, that was developed by Harold D. Lasswell, and it was developed to analyze mass media. And the 5 elements in Lasswell model of communication, the first one, who, refers to the speaker or the source of message. And the second one, what they said, refers to the message. And how they said refers to the channel or medium. And to whom they said refers to the receiver or audience. And with what effect refers to feedback. And the criticisms that is similar to Aristotle concept of communication and Lasswell model of communication are: the first one, being a linear model of communication, there is no concept of feedback. And the second one, it ignores all the possibilities of barriers to the communication process. So that's all up to this topic. Thank you.